Good morning students and welcome to our e-learning session. And today we are on lecture number 4 for chapter number 9, that is the freedom movement of 1857. As you know, one of the most interesting chapter and the content that what we are learning and what we are discussing. So before we talk any new content on this chapter, let's take a quick revision what we have learned. See why we are doing so, as this all points are very important. So we should remember, we should learn the topic and the content what we have learned. As we know, number of foreigners came to our country for the business purpose. As India was the wealthiest country of that time, India was the only producer of number of things, and due to the number of reasons, and the many traders, they came to our country for the business purpose. Then they settled in our country. If we talk about the Britishers, they applied the policy of divide and rule, and for more than 190 years they rule on us. In our first chapter we have talked about the Battle of Plassey in 1757, when Sirajud-Dowlah was defeated by the Britisher, and in real sense Britisher established their rule on our country. 1757 was a turning point in the history, what we can say. In 1764, Battle of Buxar, again British won this battle and they got the tax revenue right from the Bihar, Bengal and Orissa, and in real sense they came into the power. Okay, so if we count from 1757 up to 1947, so it is a stretch of 190 years. During this 190 years, like we can say, India, the Britisher apply number of different policies. See, in any condition, they want to collect the wealth from the country. That was the ultimate goal or the aim of the Britisher. So nationalism emerged in India due not only the arrival of the European, but also because of their behavior and the policies. Now we know number of policy subsidiary alliances and number of policy doctrine of lapse and number of things what we have learned and what we have discussed also. So that event happened in India in the year of 1857, the first freedom movement, what we can say. Though we got independence in 1947, but this was also the turning point in the freedom movement. So even we have talked about the reason. What was the reason why this freedom movement, why the struggle was started? Okay, so the reason for this outbreak of the revolt of 1857 was, the main reason for the revolt of 1857 was the widespread dissatisfaction among the people in India due to the suppressive policy of the British that adopted to the spread their empire. Number of policies what they introduced, number of changes what they introduced. Due to this, there was a dissatisfaction among the people. Okay, and due to this dissatisfaction, this freedom movement was started. If we talk about few of the reason for this freedom struggle, so utmost or the main, why the common people joined this freedom movement, so that was the social and religious reason. If you remember, we have discussed also. So the policy of social reform by the company made the people feel insecure and suspicious. Okay, say for they banned the Sati Pratha, they started the English education, and number of policies what they adopted, and number of reforms what they introduced in our country. So people have, like, they have the suspicions of this, and they felt that the government was trying to convert them to the Christianity. This was the major fear what the Indian citizen was having. And they destroyed the Indian culture and religion forever. This was the, fear from our people. So people believe that the Indian social system was deliberately undermined in the railways and the military. Now, even the large dissatisfaction in them, as a result, many people joined, the common people joined the freedom movement to sustain their social religious structure. So that was the social religion belief. Even the economic reason, if we go through with the economic reason, so the aim of British was, basically they want to collect the wealth from India. So the aim of the British was to bring the prosperity to England at the cost of India. They were the least bothered with the emotion and the problem of the Indians, but they want to collect the wealth from our country. So as a result, most of the section of Indian society become the impoverished, and the landlords and the peasant, having lost their lands, participate in the revolt. If we talk about the political reason, so due to the number of policies, number of the rulers joined this freedom struggle. So the East India Company acquired the Diwani right. That what we say is the right to collect the revenue as a result of their victory in the Battle of Buxar in 1764. So that was followed by the aggressive policy of expansion with the help of subsidiary alliances, doctrine of lapse, and so the number of rulers like the Kunwar Singh, Rani Lakshmi Bai, they joined this freedom struggle. If military reason, if we talk, so we know the ratio was 6:1, like to the Indian to the British soldiers. So the number of British officer in the soldier was the very less in the vast country, and the ratio of the Indian soldier to the Britisher was 6:1. Yes, so in the, and this Britisher had a higher posts in compared to the Indian soldiers, and even they are getting the more salary than the Indian soldier. See, Indian soldier got the 7 rupee, where the Britisher got the 150 rupee of that time. So there was a dissatisfaction among the soldiers. So even the numbers of soldier, British soldiers, though they were the Indians, but they joined this freedom struggle. So the Indian foot soldiers received 7 rupee at that time, whereas the British soldier received 150 rupee per month. Even the British soldier considered as the, they consider the Indian soldier as a lower status and insignificant, unko mana jata tha. So this was the reason. Even the immediate reason, when we are talking about the revolt of 1857, so what was the immediate reason? ऐसा अचानक से क्या हुआ? This was the happening since long time. But what was the immediate reason? So immediate reason was the Enfield rifle, which was introduced in January 1857. So Enfield rifle we can consider as the immediate reason for outbreak of this revolt of 1857. So there was the various reason, as we talk, religious, social reason, economical reason. So there were the various reason for the rising anger and discontentment among the people towards the British rule. In January 1857, a new rifle, that was the Enfield rifle. Rifle का नाम क्या था? That was the Enfield rifle, was introduced in the Indian Army, and this rifle was introduced in our Indian Army. So the cartridge of this rifle had to be bitten off and bring the use. So this cartridge was greased with the fat of cow and pig. So feeling of the Hindu soldier as well as the Muslim soldier was it was a very as a religious purpose. If we talk about the religious manner, then we can say Hindu, the beef, and for the Muslim, the pork was the prohibited by their religion. Okay, for Hindu, we will never eat the beef, and the Muslim will never eat the pork. Okay, so that was the and hence they felt that the Britisher was deliberately trying to discantify their religion, and that was the dissatisfaction. Though the Britisher know this fact that for the Hindu religion, cow is we consider as the holy animal, Gau Mata, okay, and Muslims never eat the pork. Then also this cartilage of this Enfield rifle was greased with the cow and pig fat. So that was the immediate reason what we can consider. Okay, so as a result, the entire battalion was disbanded, and 19 battalion. Now this point as I said earlier also, this point you have to keep in mind. So the 19th battalion of the Barakpur was the first to refuse the use. Which battalion refused the first? Barakpur. 19th battalion of the Barakpur was the first to refuse the use of the cartridge. Now, it was a mega plan. So who make this plan about the how this revolt, who will be the leader, how it will be the plan? So this was the plan. So we have talked about the planning and about the Mangal Pandey. See, Mangal Pandey is considered as the first martyr of the freedom struggle, Indian freedom struggle. First martyr we consider as the Mangal Pandey. So it was planned. So what was the plan actually? It was the failed, but actual plan was, like, it was planned to begin in the revolt across the nation against the East India Company on 31st May 1857. Number of time I have told you, so you have to remember this date. This is the 31st May. The date was fixed 31st May. So it was planned to begin the revolt across the nation against the East India Company on 31st May 1857. Leaders like the Nana Sahib Peshwa, Bahadur Shah Zafar, Kumar Singh, Nawab of Awadh had joined hand with the Tatya Tope. Tatya Tope was the military leader. So he was an efficient military commander. Rangoji Bapuji as accomplished planner. So with the help of Rango Bapuji and the Tatya Tope, this entire plan was done. Excuse me. So, and Azimullah Khan, the lawyer and the journalist, to lead the revolt. Lotus and roti, this 2 point also you have to keep in mind. Lotus and roti, this was the symbol. Those who wants to join this revolt, so this two symbol was mentioned. So the roti, lotus and roti were the symbol to join the revolt for the civilian. For the civilian, the symbol was the lotus, and for the soldier, those who want to join this revolt, the symbol was the roti. So lotus and roti was the symbol to join the revolt to the civilian and the soldier respectively. So this symbol was circulated across the nation by the birds, Hindu, Muslim priest, औलियास and the messenger played their part. अब पूरे भारत में ये मैसेज कैसे पहुंचा गया था? बाढ़ गढ़वी जो चारण थे, जो संगीतकार थे, and the औलियास and the peer and the fakir, they who moves across the country, they passes this message about the roti and lotus. See, Mangal Pandey opposed the use of this cartridge as he was the sepoy in the British Army. So Mangal Pandey opposed the use of the cartridge grease with the fat of the cow and the pig. So as a result, the revolt began earlier than the fixed date. The date was fixed on 31st May. But as Mangal Pandey opposed the cartridge used in the Enfield rifle, and this revolt outbreak in as earlier was what that was planned. So Mangal Pandey was born to the Brahmin family and in the Nagwa village of Uttar Pradesh, and joined the British Army as a soldier. And we know Indian soldier was getting a 7 rupee at that time. And the Indian soldier who had agreed to revolt want to wait till 31st May. But Mangal Pandey opposed this rifle. And what he did, so he refused to follow the order of using the Enfield rifle and challenged the British officer Sergeant Major Hawson and ordered to arrest him, but Mangal Pandey shoot him. मंगल पांडे ने कार्ट्रिज का यूज करने के लिए मना किया. सार्जेंट था अंग्रेज मेजर हॉसन, ही अरेस्ट करने के ऑर्डर दिए, बट द इंडियन सोल्जर रिफ्यूज एज मंगल पांडे वाज अ ब्राह्मण एंड मंगल पांडे शूट दैट ऑफिसर and he defeated another British officer too. So the Indian soldier refused to arrest Mangal Pandey, and being the Brahmin, when he was cornered by the British soldier, he tried to shoot himself, and bleeding Mangal Pandey was taken to the hospital also, and because the British wanted to get the information about this revolt. The military court pretend to run, pretend मतलब ऐसा नाटक किया, okay? So the military court pretend to run the case against the Mangal Pandey on 6th April and he hanged on 8th. 2 दिन में उसको फांसी की सजा भी दे दी गई. So the military court pretend to run a case against the Mangal Pandey on 6th of April, that is on the 1857, and entire proceeding was in English. He was sentenced to the death at the end, but he did not divulge any information. And at the 8th of August, 5:30 a.m., that is how, like you know, he got this death sentence and he was hanged at the 5:30 a.m. and that is how he became the first martyr on the revolt of 1857. So this was the point what we should keep in mind. That why we just again we talk on this matter. Few dates: 6th April, 8th April, Mangal Pandey. This all points, you know, students, you should keep in mind. Now let's talk about the spread of the revolt and its leader. We know about Rani Lakshmi Bai, Kunwar Singh, Tatya Tope, Mangal Pandey. So we need to take a few more information on it. See, Delhi and the Bahadur Shah Zafar. As this revolt spread in almost all part of the India, so we will talk the specific location, specific place with that the leader. So if we talk about the Delhi, the ruler was the last Mughal, was the Bahadur Shah Zafar. So the soldier reached Delhi from the Meerut in the morning on 11th May. The date was decided on the 31st May. Now the soldier from the Meerut, they marched towards the Delhi on 11th of May. Say they could capture the Delhi with the help of the Indian soldier present there. Okay, so they convinced the 80-year-old Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar to accept the leadership of the revolt. This news infused a new life in the revolt and many regions of India joined the revolt. अब जब दूसरे लोगों को, राज्यों को पता चला that Bahadur Shah Zafar also involved in this revolt of 1857, so लोगों में एक उमंग, आशा जगी और बहुत सारे लोग इस रिवॉल्ट में ज्वाइन हुए. सो दिल्ली 11th of May, Meerut to Delhi march, बहादुर शाह जफर लास्ट एम्परर यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड. सो दिल्ली में से कौन लीडर निकला था? बहादुर शाह जफर. देन कम्स द कानपुर एंड द नाना साहेब. कानपुर मतलब उत्तर भारत, उत्तर प्रदेश का विस्तार. सो कानपुर ब्रोक इनटू द रिवॉल्ट ऑन 4th of June. सी डेट्स अलग अलग हो गए. इट वॉज डिसाइडेड फॉर द 31st में. फर्स्ट डेट क्या आई? 11th में. अब 4 जून. So Kanpur broke into the revolt on the 4th June 1857 and Nana Sahib Peshwa was asked to assume the leadership. So Kanpur, Nana Sahib Peshwa, Delhi, Bahadur Shah Zafar. So Kanpur broke into the revolt on 4th of June 1857 and Nana Sahib Peshwa was asked to assume. However, they had to surrender to the British following an acute shortage of food and water due to 22-day long siege. अब कानपुर के अंदर 22 दिनों तक युद्ध चला, रिवॉल्ट, एंड ड्यू टू द शॉर्टेज ऑफ फूड एंड वाटर, इंडियन सोल्जर, इंडियन रिवोल्यूशनरी जो थे, दे हैव टू सरेंडर ड्यू टू द शॉर्टेज ऑफ फूड एंड वाटर. सो वहां पे ये फेल हुआ कानपुर में. Then Bihar and Kunwar Singh, Delhi, Bahadur Shah, Kanpur, Nana Sahib Peshwa, Bihar, Kunwar Singh. Patna and Jagdishpur were the main center of the revolt in Bihar. So this is the filling the blanks. Please underline. Patna and Jagdishpur were the main center of the revolt in Bihar. Kunwar Singh, a 70-year-old landlord, was the leader of the revolt. Kunwar Singh was a Jagirdar. He was a landlord of the Bihar, and he was quite old. He was 70-year-old, and he become the leader of this revolt in the Bihar. He fought bravely against the Britisher. During the battle, he got shot in his arm. उनके हाथ में गोली लगी थी. To stop the poison from spreading into his body, he chopped his hand from the elbow and offered to the river Ganga. अब उनके हाथ में गोली लगी तो पॉइजन को स्प्रेड होने से रोकने के लिए उन्होंने अपने एल्बो से अपने हाथ को काट दिया एंड फ्लो इनटू द एल्बो एंड ऑफर्ड टू द रिवर गंगा. अपना हाथ काट के गंगा में बहा दिया था. He freed Jagdishpur from the British control before he died. Before he died, he freed the Jagdishpur from the Britisher. See, Bihar, Kunwar Singh. Kunwar Singh was the landlord. He was the Jagirdar, and he fought very bravely, though he was an aged one. And during this fight, he during the battle, he got the shoot on his arm. उनके हाथ में गोली लगी थी. And to stop the poison from the spreading into his body, he chopped his hand and from the elbow and offered to the river Ganga. And he freed the Jagdishpur from the British, like to control before they died. So Delhi, Bahadur Shah, Kanpur, Nana Sahib Peshwa, Bihar, Kunwar Singh. Now, कैसे भूल सकते हैं, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. सो झांसी एंड द ग्रेट वॉरियर लक्ष्मीबाई. सी एग्जाम पर्पस, फॉर योर जनरल नॉलेज पर्पस, most important point, interesting and must, I suggest you student that you should read the story of Rani Lakshmibai. So the queen of Jhansi, Lakshmibai, was a great warrior. Though you know, you have learned her story, childhood name Manikarnika. She got married with the king of Jhansi and she became the queen. बचपन का नाम उनका क्या था? मणिकर्णिका. फिर शादी के बाद उनका नाम रानी लक्ष्मीबाई से पहचानी गई. So the queen of Jhansi, Lakshmibai, was a great warrior. The Britisher did not accept her adopted son as the heir of the throne. उन्होंने एक बेटा गोद लिया था and the Britisher refused to accept him. So the Britisher did not accept her adopted son as the heir to the throne. This is the reason for her joining the revolt. As doctrine of Leap, पॉलिसी ऑफ द ब्रिटिशर, डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ लेप, जो राजा को कोई नेचुरल हायर नहीं था उनका राज्य अंग्रेज ले लेते थे. एंड रानी लक्ष्मीबाई अडॉप्टेड द सन. सो ब्रिटिशर रिफ्यूज टू एक्सेप्ट द हायर ऑफ द थ्रोन and that was the reason why Rani Lakshmibai joined this revolt. And she was one of the most skillful leader of the revolt. She had also prepared an army of women to fight against the Britisher. महिलाओं की सेना भी रानी लक्ष्मीबाई ने बनाई. So they fought bravely against the Britisher. According to the British official, Queen Lakshmibai is one of the greatest women leader in the revolt of 1857. This was accepted by Britisher also. See, we know as Indian, we proud on her. Like, you know, it's a proud for Indians. But even the Britisher accept this, that Rani Lakshmibai was one of the most skillful leader of this revolt of 1857. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. You know, you are learning this poem. बुंदोले हर बोलो पे हमने सुनी कहानी थी. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. So Rani Lakshmibai, one of the greatest leader of 1857 from Jhansi. So again, Delhi, Bahadur Shah Zafar, Kanpur, Nana Sahib Peshwa, बिहार कुंवर सिंह. और झांसी से कौन लीडर था? रानी लक्ष्मीबाई. अ ब्रेव आर्मी कमांडर तात्या टोपे. Even another important concept and the point, and he was the commander in chief, Tatya Tope. So Nana Sahib Peshwa had made the Tatya Tope the commander of the army at the Kanpur. कानपुर के लीडर नाना साहेब थे, बट कमांडर इन चीफ कौन थे? तात्या टोपे. So soon he became his trusted commander. He skillful fought to free the Kanpur, playing the role of commander for the first time in his life. He was the leader in this revolt of 1857 from Kanpur. He was a military commander. Okay. For the next 2 years, he played a major role in the revolt across the country. No one in his time had fought as many battles as he did. तात्या टोपे ने अंग्रेजों के खिलाफ 1857 के विप्लव में जितने युद्ध खेले, नो अदर लीडर फॉट as much as many as what he did. So Tatya Tope, main commander in chief of this revolt. Soldiers from different parts of the India had joined the revolt. From North India, Bareilly, Banaras, Allahabad, Agra, Azamgarh, Gorakhpur had joined. North में से इतने सारे states, which are they? North India, Bareilly, Banaras, Allahabad. Nowadays we known as a Prayagraj. Allahabad का अब नाम क्या है? It's a Prayagraj. So soldiers from different part of India had joined the revolt. From North India, Bareilly, Banaras, Allahabad, Agra, Azamgarh and Gorakhpur had joined. Ajmer, Nasirabad, Abu from the Rajputana and the Gwalior, Mandsaur, Indore, Dhar from the central India participate in this revolt. Satara, Kolhapur, Savantawadi, Nargad, Dharwad become the active in the south. However, this center was scattered. Now see, India is a large country. We are having the large stretch. So, see, it was very well planned. But due to few reasons, as it started earlier, which was actually planned, so this entire revolt was failed. बहुत सारे नेताओं ने कोशिश की, शहीद भी हुए, but it was failed due to the number of reasons. Date was fixed 31st May, but it was like due to the Mangal Pandey शुरू हो गया जल्दी, अलग अलग शहरों में अलग अलग समय पे विप्लव हुआ, and that was the one of the reason that it was failed. Now students, when we are talking about the different part, especially we talk about the Delhi where the Bahadur Shah was the leader, Kanpur, Tatya Tope and Nana Sahib Peshwa was the leader, in Bihar Kunwar Singh was the leader, in Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai was the leader. So at least we should know about the Gujarat. What was the Gujarat participation? What was the situation in the Gujarat during 1857? So that is also important point. As a part of the Gujarat, we have to learn the revolt of 1857 in Gujarat. So what was the situation in the Gujarat? So the 7th battalion of the British Army broke into the revolt in Ahmedabad. Very important point. 7th battalion of the British Army broke into the revolt in Ahmedabad. अब ब्रिटिश आर्मी के जो सोल्जर, दो दे वर द इंडियंस, वो इंडियन ही थे, तो 7th बटालियन के जो सोल्जर थे उन्होंने गुजरात में रिवॉल्ट शुरू किया. सो द 7th बटालियन ऑफ द ब्रिटिश आर्मी ब्रोक इनटू द रिवॉल्ट इन अहमदाबाद, गुजरात इन जून 1857. कब शुरू हुआ? जून 1857. सो डेट क्या थी? 31st में. पर गुजरात में ये रिवॉल्ट कब शुरू हुआ? जून 1857 इन अहमदाबाद. So the 7th battalion of the British Army broke into the revolt in Ahmedabad, Gujarat in June 1857. However, it was soon halted. Dahod, Jalod and Godhra of the Panchmahal witnessed the skirmishes with the British Army. शुरू हुआ, but अब अंग्रेजों को अप्रैल से पता चल गया था. See, that was the failure's reason, as it was started earlier, as it was planned. So now ब्रिटिशरों को इसकी बात पता चल गई थी, तो इसको जहां जहां पर भी पीछे शुरू हुआ वहां पे उसको दबा दिया गया. So however it was soon halted. दाहोद, जालोद, गोधरा, पंचमहाल की जब जगह है वहां पे शुरू तो हुआ, but it was the skirmishes with the British Army, उसको ब्रिटिश आर्मी ने दबा दिया. The soldier could capture the government office with the help of the natives, but were soon defeated. क्योंकि अंग्रेज को पता चल गया था कि ये ब्रिटिशर, नाउ ब्रिटिशर्स वर इन द डिफेंस पोजीशन में वहां गए थे, एंड इट वाज रिकैप्चर्ड बाय द ब्रिटिशर्स. द नायक दास ऑफ पंचमहाल कंटिन्यू द रिबेलियन ऑलमोस्ट फॉर अ ईयर. नायक दास याद रखना है, गुजरात के लीडर नायक दास, ही फॉट फॉर still for war 1 month, 1 year, sorry. गुजरात में नायक दास का नाम आपको याद रखना है. But the Nayak Das of Panchmahal continued the rebellion almost for the year. See, गड़बड़ दास पटेल, ये भी एक लीडर का नाम है, गड़बड़ दास पटेल, and the headman of the Anand in Kheda district collector almost and district collected almost 2000 volunteer of the Koli and Nayakda community to join the revolt. अब गड़बड़दास जो मुखी थे उनका नाम था गड़बड़दास पटेल, मतलब वो मुखिया थे गांव के, आनंद के. ही कलेक्टेड 2000 वॉलेंटियर जिन्होंने देश के लिए रिवॉल्ट में पार्ट लिया. सो गड़बड़दास पटेल, उनको मुखी भी कहा जाता था. गड़बड़दास पटेल द हेडमैन ऑफ द आनंद, मुखी मुखिया थे. So Garbhardas Patel, the headman of the Anand. Who was the Garbhardas Patel? He was the Mukhya or the headman of the Anand village. Anand in the Kheda district collect the almost 2000 volunteer of the Koli and Nayakda community. ये 2000 volunteer जो इस रिवॉल्ट में पार्ट किया था, they belongs to the Koli and Nayakda community. ये एक जाति का नाम है, कोली and नायकड़ा. So, volunteer 2000 volunteered from the Koli and the Nayakda community to join the revolt. He was supported by the Jivabhai Thakur of Kanpur. Please underline these points. So, he was supported by the Jivabhai Thakur of the Kanpur, Malaji Joshi and the Krishnadas Dave. However, the supporters of Garbhardas were captured by the Britisher. अब गड़बड़दास मुखी ने बहुत अच्छे से प्लान किया था, बट ही वॉज ऑल्सो कैप्चर्ड बाय द ब्रिटिशर, एंड ही वॉज कैप्चर्ड बाय द ब्रिटिशर, टाइड टू द कैनन एंड वर ब्लो ऑफ विद द कैनन बॉल फायर. और उनको तोप से उड़ा दिया गया था, उनको मृत्युदंड की सजा हुई. एंड he was captured by the Britisher, tied to the cannon and were blown off with the cannonball fire. And Garbhardas were exiled to Andaman where he died. अब क्या किया गया? See, however the supporter of Garbhardas were captured. गड़बड़दास को जिन्होंने मदद की, उन नेताओं को अंग्रेजों ने पकड़ा और तोप से उड़ा दिया था उन सबको, और गड़बड़दास को काला पानी की सजा दी गई, and he was sent to the Andaman jail. So, however, the supporter of Garbhardas were captured by the Britisher, tied to the cannon, and were blown off with the cannonball fire. And Garbhardas were exiled to Andaman where he died. काले पानी की सजा, cellular jail. You might be knowing this. So, अंग्रेज काला पानी की सजा देते थे अंडमान में, वहां पे अंडमान की जेल है, वहां पे सेल्युलर जेल. सो गड़बड़दास वॉज एक्साइल्ड, उनको कहां पे भेजा गया? अंडमान की जेल में. एंड द सपोर्टर ऑफ द गड़बड़दास वॉज लाइक यू नो tied to the cannon and were blown off with the cannonball fire. So गुजरात में जून में शुरू हुआ, बट बहुत जल्दी अंग्रेजों ने उसको कंट्रोल किया, एंड दे रिकैप्चर्ड देयर areas and the offices. So the people of Chandpur, that is a Chandap village which is 16 mile away from Idar. Idar से 16 माइल दूर एक चांदप नाम का गांव है. Accepted the leadership of Nathaji and Yamaji and joined the revolt. अब गुजरात का दूसरा एक पार्ट था ईडर के पास. The people of Chandap, that is a Chandap village which is 16 mile away from Idar. So they accept the leadership of Nathaji and Yamaji to join the revolt. The British has campaigned at the Nandan village between the Okha and Bardi. ओखा और बरडी दोनों प्लेस है, तो गुजरात में भी काफी जगह पे रिवॉल्ट शुरू हो गया. The British commander of Navy became impatient and he reached the fort of Bet Dwarka via the Bay of Bet. If we see the Gujarat map, see, so ओखा और सब यहाँ पे है बेट द्वारका. सो ब्रिटिश नेवी ने एज यहाँ पर ऐसे सब एरिया में कोस्टल एरिया में भी रिवॉल्ट शुरू हो गया. सो दे कैप्चर, दे एंटर टू द बेट द्वारका वाया बे ऑफ बेट. ओके, सो Donovan ordered an attack on the fort. The Waghirs inside the fort had no such artillery to counter the attack. अब वाघेर कम्युनिटी की महिलाएं थी. अब बेट द्वारका के फोर्ट के अंदर पहले बेट द्वारका को कैप्चर किया. अब लोगों को बचने के लिए, रिवोल्यूशनरी के बचने के लिए आर्टरी नहीं थी उनके पास. दे डू नॉट हैव द गन्स एंड द कैनन्स एंड सो ऑन. सो द ब्रिटिश कमांडर ऑफ नेवी बिकम impatient and reached the fort of Bet Dwarka via Bay of Bet. Donovan ordered, he was the Britisher, Donovan ordered an attack on the fort. The Waghir inside the fort, the Waghir एक कम्युनिटी के लोग हैं, जैसे नायका है, नायकड़ा हमने पढ़ा, कोली पढ़ा, उसी तरह से वाघिर कम्युनिटी के लोग थे. So the Waghir inside the fort had no such artillery to counter attack. At this time, the Waghir woman came up with a very brave and innovating idea. अब जब वो फोर्ट पे जहां पे हमारे रिवोल्यूशनरी छुपे थे, उस पे अंग्रेज नेवी ने आक्रमण किया. At that time, we do not have the artillery. हमारे पास कुछ सामान नहीं था, हथियार नहीं थे. तो वाघेर कम्युनिटी की स्त्रियों ने एक मस्त आइडिया किया अंग्रेजों से बचने को और अंग्रेजों के सामने मुकाबला करने के लिए. So they have come up with a great and brave innovating idea. They soaked the mattresses water in which they could catch the cannonball and cool them immediately. अब अंग्रेज क्या कर रहे थे? तोपों से फायरिंग कर रहे थे, कैनन बॉल से. अगर वो गोला नीचे पड़े तो ब्लास्ट होता था. सो वाघेर कम्युनिटी की औरतों ने क्या किया? यू नो, they soaked the saris and the mattresses in the water. Mattresses, गोदड़ा, you know, चाड़ी चाड़ी चीजें, उसको पानी में डुबे के जो गोले आते थे, बारूद के गोले, उसको कैच कर लेते थे और वहीं पे उसको बुझा देते थे. So that was the innovative idea, what we can say. So they soaked the mattresses with the water in which they could catch the cannonballs and cool them immediately. This would enable the Waghir men to fight the battle without being exhausted. अब वाघेर के मेल जो लड़ रहे थे तो औरतों ने क्या साथ दिया? They soaked the mattresses in the water with the water in which they could cool and catch the cannonballs and cool them immediately. So this would enable the Waghir men to fight the battle without the being exhibited. Waghir men very bravely disarmed the cannonball without worrying about their own lives. और अपनी जान की परवाह किया बिना इन औरतों ने, वाघिर कम्युनिटी की औरतों ने कैनन बॉल्स को कैच किया, उसको ठंडा किया और वाघिर कम्युनिटी ने रिवॉल्ट में एक युद्ध किया अंग्रेजों के साथ. So their act of bravery was equivalent to that of Rani Lakshmibai. This woman were of Lakshmibai of Gujarat. और गुजरात की लक्ष्मीबाई किसको कहा जाता है? Who consider as the Lakshmibai of Gujarat? So the woman of the Waghir community consider as the woman Lakshmibai of Gujarat. So यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन बनता है. So cities of North Gujarat like the Patan, Kheralu, Bhiloda, Mudeti broke into the revolt with the help of the natives. Apart from this, December 1858, एक साल के बाद, तात्या टोपे stayed with his army in Panchmal district of Gujarat. छुप रहे थे तात्या टोपे. He had to escape to the forest of Banswada and being chased by the British army. और लास्ट में तात्या टोपे का ऐसा माना जाता है कि उनकी लाइफ एंड हुई थी गुजरात में. So I think the wonderful story and the history you learn and you understand. See, आज जो हमें ये आज़ादी मिली है, ये बहुत महंगी हमें मिली है, लाखों लोगों ने अपनी जान दी है. See, being as an Indian, we should proud, but the freedom what we got, and we pay a very heavy, लाखों लोगों की जान की कीमत तब जाके हमें ये आज़ादी मिली है. So student, I think the point what we have discussed now are clear. So it's a homework time. Let's write the homework. Again, I am telling you, insisting you people, please read the textbook, must read the life story of Tatya Tope, Maharani Lakshmi Bai. You should read and you should remember this all point, huh? So, I think the few point that you should keep in mind, write a brief note. See, first of all, homework point that you should keep in mind. Write a short note on Rani लक्ष्मीबाई. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. सो रानी लक्ष्मीबाई. एंड इवन वी शुड talk about the Gujarat also. So for that we will talk and we will write the few point on the Gujarat. So your short note should be on the revolt of 1857 in Gujarat. Revolt of 1857 in Gujarat. Both are the short note, so you should write both on it. Write a short note on Rani Lakshmi Bai and revolt of 1857 in Gujarat. So this is your, we can say, short note in the form of short note what you should write. So revolt of 1857. See, in the next lecture still we have to talk about the end of the revolt. Sequences इसके क्या हुए, what was the result, why it was failed, and number of points still we have to discuss and we have to talk. Like few more point about the end of the revolt and why was the revolt a failure and effect or the consequences of this revolt. So 3 more points we have to still discuss in this chapter. So in next lecture we will continue with this point. See, history is beautiful and you should develop the habit of reading, news reading and the stories. See, you will learn number of good thing, beautiful thing. रानी अहल्याबाई थी, रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, तात्या टोपे, कुंवर सिंह. Number of beautiful point you should learn and you should read about their life. What a beautiful struggle or beautiful challenges they faced and how they came out from this stages. So I hope you will go with it. You will read the books. Here I am ending this lecture. In lecture number 5 we will continue this chapter. So thank you, take care and goodbye.